Your goodness only earns you a ticket to hell. So Adam sinned, and every generation after that, their nature is caught up in sin. We are a sinner apart from Christ. And our sin, we're guilty. Romans 3:23 talks about, for all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. That's all of us. None of us are faultless. None of us are perfect. None of us are righteous. And our self-righteousness are filthy rags, as Isaiah talks about. And those filthy rags are like menstrual rags. Like, it's bloody and gross. It's disgusting.